Look at these guys over here, smoking heroin. Lovely guys. Who keep smoking the heroin. Oh, the weather outside. You're screaming at the poor dog. The Italian stallion. How are fucking things? It's Motor Dragon here again. Hope we're all having a fantastic new year. I always hate vlogging in Dublin, but I want to do a little vlog in Dublin because it's a lot more relaxed than out on the same stretch of straight road. A little bit nicer too. Change of scenery and whatnot. I literally just want to discuss about New Year, same channel, same shite. What am I doing different this year? Blah 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 blah. Basically nothing. But what I'm trying to do this year is I'm trying to have more content. It's all dirty here. I'm trying to upload fairly often. I wouldn't say scheduled, but often enough. I'm gonna stick to some sort of schedule. My bike is covered in salt. It's fucking horrible. I actually need to wash it again. Like all the salt, I don't even know if the camera will pick it up. It might, because you may have noticed that beautiful quality jump I done. I'm now rendering and uploading in 2.5K and it looks fucking glorious. I also fixed my fan. Hello sir, are you one of my fans? There was a cable rubbing on my actual fan, one of my fan blades, and it was making such a loud noise, but I fixed it. And now it's back to sounding normal. I really can't get over how fucking nice this exhaust sounds. Not even exhaust, the decap pipe. Euro 4 really restricts this bike, and that decap just, oh, it's beautiful. When you turn it on, it fucking bangs, and when the revs go high, when it's you know, the auto choke because it's fuel injected, it starts popping, and oh yes, it's beautiful. Now a tune is so needed, and I think a power commander might be relatively soon. Brakes are actually so squeaky. It's a little bit boggy down low, like taking off there. It's not the nice. That can be all worked out, and I think the bike might start to play a little bit nicer when doing it itself, because it will start recognizing, hey, I can breathe a bit more, correct itself, so to speak. It should do anyway. What's kind of in the plan? So as I said, I want to upload a bit more regularly, and I don't want to upload shite. So like I uploaded 2 videos in 2 weeks, and I'm already after getting 10 extra subscribers, which doesn't sound like a lot, but when you're a small little channel like me, 10's a lot. 10 is a huge amount. So I want to thank all the new subscribers I have. I'm going to try keep to this schedule. I started just drawing out, or drawing? Well, yeah, kind of drawing. Planning out videos and ideas and all that shite. Oh, they painted that. Holy God, that's strange. Oh, my brakes are so squeaky. Strange looking. It used to be black, and now it's gone to that. That's a big change. I want to upload half decent content. I love my old style of vlogs, and I really want to try to get back into them. For those who follow me pretty much since the start, my old style used to be talk about anything and everything. You know, it could be 3 small topics in one video, and I love that. But my issue is I don't want to be talking about topics that have been answered time and time again. I even went and deleted a few videos because they were rubbish, like some of my really old ones. I went and I deleted them. What also I have this year, which is going to be class, me and Mrs. Dragon have a trip to Iceland, and we're actually renting a car, which I think is going to be such a fun adventure, and it's going to make for some really good videos, I think. We're only going for like 5 days. I think that should be more than enough to see a lot of Iceland, and that's what our plan is. That's why we said fuck it, we'll rent a car, we'll go and experience it. So I'm obviously going to do a few videos in that. I'm going to bring my GoPro, I'm going to bring my nice camera, I'm going to vlog. All I really want to see is the Northern Lights. I think that's all anyone wants to see when they're visiting countries like Iceland. That's going to be a savage trip. It's going to be so fun. We're going in March, so fairly soon actually. And then also in September we have, we have a long time, we have 9 days in Paris. So what we're going to try to do is stretch it over, you know, and not just stay 9 days in Paris, because that'd be fucking boring. I wouldn't mind renting a car for a day or two, and you know, exploring France really. I also want to try get a few more reviews in. Last year there was a big lack of reviews. I just didn't. Last year was kind of shit for me in the channel, to be honest. I just really focused on work, and now that I'm not using the bike as my daily, it's very hard to get content. I don't want to just put up shite either. There was a few videos, about 4 or 5 videos I could have put up, but I just deleted them because I just did not like them. They weren't up to my standard. You know, you're your own worst critic, so... Oh, what a place to break down. I don't think I can push you. Trying out of fucking fuel. I don't get how you run out of fuel. You have a fuel gauge for a reason, like... Oh, here we go. She's prepared. That's slightly worrying. Why is she prepared? Also, a few track days I'm going to do during the summers. As I said, not much is going to change. I just want to be... The only thing that's going to change, I want to be more frequent. Frequent? If I can upload 2 videos a week, I'm going to upload 2 videos a week. I'm going to aim for a video a week, or at least a video every week and a bit. You know, like a lot of the time I wasn't uploading for 3 weeks. I want to change that. I have a few new stickers I'm going to bring out. Again, I'm not going to really be selling my stickers. I might set up selling stickers, but I don't know. I'm kind of happy just like all my mates and anyone I meet I just give stickers to. It's kind of fun. I was like, that's it for the new year. Again, stickers, gonna try to do more reviews, some more track days on the Beast, and some trips. That's really it, guys. Upload more and better content. So before, or just as I get onto the motorway, I want to thank you all again, all my new and old subscribers. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy the plans. Jeez, the traffic's very light here. Look at over there. Oh my god. But yeah, I hope you are excited about what's coming up over the course of 2020. Again, same channel, just kind of improved. But look, guys, that's the video. Hope all of you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you on the next video.